Charlie, Kwaku, and someone say I me rap. I feel so sad. Bro. And then a plane crash ya. Of course, she won money free cry and any African na. Then and a must sexy yes ye or minimum na where say that day. Assembly see and yes, I guess you will be na Wednesday assembly see and me no a woman dear, yes, ye wom, but a moon see yes, and then and the date 15th of August, and then Anna yes, Panther. Oh, bro. I know, so you know the story already.
Charlie, I hear the matter. Do I feel bad? Hey, me feel bad. Oh,
hey, that will be Emma Womo. After so my bush, your phone in no. Now me and Shamode. Panther, it be today where they are buried the six people.
So what about the rest two? What happened?
Oh no, they are 8.
Yeah, but
the thing is,
sure.
That very day that incident happened.
Okay.
Yeah, almost you know.
Ah, okay. Why they be Muslims or why they ban or what?
That one dear. No. It be like almost ban, almost share.
Oh, like
because of their condition, you know. Now almost to me for almost free. Yeah, and I almost now because almost soldiers. Next at once now you see me. But for now Canada, go say free to crack. So today be the day. Today is 15th August.
Charlie.
Yeah, sorry for late response. You know, Juma we we're busy. Yeah. All right. So my fans, my viewers, and I feel I'm in a Panther. More G's sharp. Now most more who BBR.
And I'm live with KwakuSmart.
Yeah.
Subscribe to KwakuSmart TV, Charlie.
Yeah, Patros, I will share me. I know subscribe to your YouTube channel. No? All the social media platforms now KwakuSmart.
TikTok,
yes,
Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, yes.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
KwakuSmart
TV.
Panther.
Oh, my bro.
Any past 6 now, yes, you were when
okay.
Me ya web. Then I'm a person, my mom biographic akra.
Okay.
Yeah, it's answer you Dr. Adrian Omane Boama.
Hey,
Okanhubio. Oh, no, yeah, Minister of Defense.
Oh, yes. The Minister of Defense don't die.
Of Defense. So they all die. And now this man Muslim, but I don't mean the reason why because Muslim for the who are at once now then yes you.
Omani Boama.
No. And only Alaji Dr. Ibrahim Muntala. Hey, I know you're Minister of Environment.
And then I see Ghana. Are they Bonnie Bear? And then Ghana for
I don't know.
I don't know.
Hey, Naku Pomfam Mokra NCAA.
Rest in peace. Yeah, Omani Boama.
So the biography of this Omani Boama.
Okay.
Me pese me reading the biography kakra.
Sharp.
Yeah, and yes.
Yeah,
Edward Omani Boama, no a Minister of Defense. A Minister of Defense, you know. Oko school, won Nisukwa Okoye, Ofrikophobia Efidiase. Kofodia.
Oh no,
Coastal region.
Kofodia.
Kofodia.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, 26th of December 1975.
Oh, and
yes, 26th December 1975. Anna Adrian Omane Boama. Yeah, war no.
Oh, rest in peace, Omane.
Yeah, it took a creator. I think 75 here. How many years? Yeah, 2025.
So we need
50 years. Yeah, 50 years per. I think so.
Yeah,
2025 no.
Yeah.
20. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And I think so no. In Kwako Hospital, Holy Family Hospital. Anna ya war no. 1975.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay,
Holy Family Hospital.
Holy Family Hospital. You've lost it so. You've lost it so.
Yeah. It's your school. SHS Pope Jones. Pope Jones. Yeah. 1996 and will be in the secondary school. 1996 and will be in the secondary school. Akwala Tre. And mommy, you know. Akwala Tre. 3 children. Omonyi because 50 years I have money benin.
Oh, and
50 years. And mommy you bema bako.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ekia ama ana yawo.
Oh, Ekia ama ya.
Ekia.
I send my condolences.
So,
okay. So sorry.
That's the biography of Adrian Omane Boama. Do you have something to say?
Oh, I feel so sad. Oh, Omane Boama, rest in peace. The children and family of Omane Boama, take heart, okay? I know it is very painful. I want you to take heart. Rest in peace.
Yeah.
So, Charlie, today at the camp where I reach the Black Star Square where I see the place big joke.
I miss
a sister, Mama said the
Charlie, and then Mama was super. To be frank, because of the human intino, meant to me and Yakwayam. To be frank,
because easy.
You bear me. I must. But did you bring some videos where we could take show our
the videos plenty. See, this is the view of the full brand. This is the view. Let's watch it. Let's watch it.
Welcome back. I also video near video now. Share a video. Nyankasa me brother Panta or call Honomo. I will go to try it. It's said, President Mahama or Kobe. I know what team is super now. Because any you see Mahama President Mama, I am Bassa. What you now want to be because hey Charlie, I didn't Charlie that be sad. It be sad because one thing where you pay me say if Mahama time where this thing happen. So the MPP, you know, say NDC and MPP, they are going competition.
See, as for incident or accident, anything you cannot blame party.
It be true, but this thing, the MPP people, them go take do party, them go take do politics. I mean, you know.
If you did know,
it's happened to MPP before.
The MPP delegates all come.
I know, but bro, I know Ghana people. I know here. Them go take do politics. Because
Ghana for politics,
MPP time, something happened where NDC to take do politics. It be so no way them.
Ghana for where they be patch of Mamu fire politics. Nipa 8 na.
So these are the 6 people. These are the 6 people where they buried today.
Okay.
Dr. Edward Omanie Champon. You know, I don't know anyone of her, so I don't know if everybody did first. And after Alhaji Ibrahim Muntala Muhammad,
rest in peace.
Or no, Minister of Environment. Yes, Minister of Environment. And Alhaji Muniru Muhammad.
Rest in peace.
Yes,
Muhammad.
Yeah. And also Deputy Security Coordinator. Yeah, Deputy Security Coordinator. Yeah, Deputy National Security Coordinator.
Ghana.
Yes.
A very big loss to Ghana. I'm very sorry. So to the family, I send my condolences. I'm very sorry. This is very sad.
We also have Dr. Samuel Sapon. He too.
And then our
Samon. He's NDC Vice Chairman.
NDC Vice Chairman Sukao.
He gone.
NDC.
Charlie, I feel so sad.
I feel so sad.
In peace. Lady,
I feel so sad. Rest in peace.
Okay, we also have Peter Anala.
Hey,
Peter Anala
Sukao.
Also Kahon. Yeah. Also Kahon. Also know your leader. Yeah, know your leader. Anna Yawa Samuel Abuaji. Miami name. Samuel Abuaji. Miami name. Bro. My brother, you also rest in perfect peace. Yes. And also, former parliamentary candidate.
Sorry.
All right. So these are the 6 people where they lost their life in the plane crash. The plane was from Accra to Obuasabi. We all know.
Yeah.
My brother, say your final word.
Child, I give. Rest in peace to those 8 souls. I feel so bad. This is very bad. We don't pray this.
Our condolences to the family.
We don't pray this will happen in Ghana again. Let's pray. Like I said, Ghana for you to be like a community or
you to me anyone day be one day be NC Emma because on my money nana for the whole Ghana. They are not going for their own. They are going because of Ghana.
And I want to Ghana say for Musumunja and Muinti na Kopuya Kuwo. Munja
the Okoka, yes.
Munja is only say
Okoka Yanka. Okoka Yanka.
Musumunja
Eja. Okoka say Jumani or Manimo. All right. Yampesa video in the
drop your comment in the comment section. Please be respectful. We've lost 8 people. Don't come and be insulting people here. Please be respectful and drop your comment in the comment section. We love you. KwakuSmart TV. Stay tuned. Tomorrow we'll give you an update in the funeral.
So, Shatta white in a forward.
Now I'm from Nigeria, so my expertise is okay. So it's because people on and say, hey, and then I'll catch them say we funeral. So I'm very sorry. Sorry guys for wearing white. I traveled. I just came back from my trip and I just have to come to my brother for this video.
All right.
stay.
Thank you for watching us.
Yes, stay tuned.
Bye.
Bye.